Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add filters on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, if you want to add a filter, so you just click on the filters at the bottom. Click on it. And after this, in here you can click the filters that you wanted to add. Maybe I want to try to add this one, and in here you can set the filter like this. Just swipe left or right, and after this, in here you can click on this icon, and after this you can set the filters until the end of the video and finish. So that's how to add filters on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.